Hello everyone, that's my first video of 2025 and I wanted to wish all of you an amazing year. I also wanted to use this video to thank every single one of you to follow my journey, to have joined my channel this year. So thank you for following the channel and supporting my work by commenting, liking, or just viewing my videos. That means a lot for me. 2024 has been a very important year for my YouTube channel. There are more and more of you joining and learning with me, and I'm really grateful for that, and I'm hoping to make this year even better with better content, more content even, and more projects that are going to come along. So at the beginning of last year, I kind of switched between teaching retouching for portraits to teaching retouching for travel photography, as it is now my specialty, the thing I do 90% of the time. And that's also why most people follow me on Instagram, at least that's for my style of travel photography. So this is the reason why I switched to something more specific to travel photography instead of retouching in general. There's been a lot of videos and tutorials using Photoshop because I really think that this is a software that a lot of people are scared to use, and for the wrong reasons. So I'm really trying with this channel to make Photoshop easy, because when you know how to use it, it's truly not that complicated and you can let your creativity flow naturally. Anyways, moving forward and for this new year, I want to change things a little bit, and I would love if you could tell me what you would like to learn. Is there a specific techniques that you kind of struggle to understand how it works? Is there a specific software that you want to learn? Do you prefer to have tutorials about Lightroom, for example, something I did a little bit but not very much so far on this channel? Is there any other software you would like to learn? I'm thinking about doing some tutorial with Affinity Photo that I recently started to use as well. Would you like to see more travel videos, more on location photography videos? Yeah, I would just like to know what you want to learn from me, so I can just create videos that are very useful for you and things that you want to watch. Because at the end of the day, this channel is for you to learn, to gain confidence by learning new skills. And yeah, the goal is that you improve your photography and that you enjoy watching this channel. So I really need your feedback to know what to improve on this channel moving forward. So use the comment section of this video to tell me everything you would like to see on this channel, and I will get ready to respond with the right videos. Once again, I wish you the best for the coming years. I wish you a beautiful project. I wish you time with your family and friends, good health, and really everything that you wish for. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for being part of my journey.